talaga ng pregnancy mo. Minalala ko ulit kay gising ko lang, tas bigla nakita ko sa story niya, parang picture nung restaurant. Kaya hindi man lang sinabi sa amin in person na, oh my God, pregnant na siya.
Ipapadala ako sa iyo, mamaya ko pumasok. Hello! Hello!
So, hello again everyone. So, I believe na natin ang tayo ng gusto ko man. So, hopefully, that I get our games! And Tita Jenny. So, the first game is called Baby Bump Drop. Tita Daisy! Okay, so magkakaroon tayo ng timer for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, whoever gets the most 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, papulan na tayo.
Linis yan! Pinakain ko lang yan!
Okay, so may congratulations first sa mga lahat. Ang sa prayer ko, alam niya, habang hindi ka pa nanganak, asahan mo araw-araw okay na dito. Actually, araw-araw po ako nandito. Lagi niya, ano sabi niya? Anong gawa mo? Alas 7 pa lang tumigil sa kanya. At pinag-pray ko na lagi. Safe talaga yung delivery
To you, and we know that the baby is really a miracle. Everything will be okay. We love you, Mama, and thank you for being a blessing to all of us.
Ikaw, syempre, na safe delivery at malapit tayo sa buwan na lang at pag-tiis na lang, makakakain ka na ng lechon.
Para ngayon na nga, nadadala din kami. So, dapat lagi kang happy para happy lahat. Good luck, mother!
Ako pala ya?
Ayun na, baka makakot mo yan.
Tapos si Mami, sila naman
Yun lang, sana kung kaya pa masundan eh. Ayun, yun lang, tapos kumpul. Love you.
Martina, and especially Ate Marga, who's now in heaven. Hindi ko mo.
Ay, naku.
Ayun, kasi... I won't make it time pero I just want to say na, yung baby that mom is carrying right now, he's truly a blessing kasi like, nung nabalitaan ko talaga ng pregnancy mo, minalala ko ulit kay gising ko lang, tas bigla nakita ko sa story niya, parang picture nung restaurant. Kaya hindi man lang sinabi sa amin in person na, oh my God, pregnant na siya. Oo, tapos like, after nun, sinasabi ko na, it's really a blessing na magkakaroon kami ng bagong sibling. Pero it would be very much a amazing talaga if it were to be a boy. And thank you, Lord, that nabigyan kami ng isang wonderful baby boy who will become a blessing to all of us. So, ayan. Ayan, very emotional din ako mana kay Lola Lu. Mommy Marie, you should know that you're very loved by all of us. By your family, by your friends. And kahit ako, I really love you very much na kahit hindi ikaw makatulog, I'll always be by your side. No matter what. Ayan. Pati ako di makakatulog pag hindi ka makakatulog. And then, kahit every night, naging kasanayan ko na I'll kiss you goodnight each day. And I'll always hug you no matter what. And kahit pagising ko, ako yung unang babati sa'yo. I really hope na that will brighten up your day somehow. Kasi sabi nga ni Mommy, very, kahit even though na positive person ngayon si Mommy, we know yung struggle sa pregnancy na you will always have the baby blues and such like that. And ayan, and to her beloved family and friends, we're very, very grateful to all of you. Sa pagbisita niyo pa lang kay Mommy and making her smile each day. And kahit sa simpleng mga chats niyo sa kanya, mga video call, ayan, we really appreciate it kasi, ayan, Mommy, hindi naman siya sanay na sa bahay lang. Hindi nakakagala eh. So, ayan, thank you all so much for being here and being a blessing to each one of us. And I hope na hanggang sa pagkapanganak ni baby and hanggang sa paglaki niya, ayan, we get to cherish him and as well as Mommy Marie. So again, thank you all so much. Mommy Marie, thank you so much. We love you all. We love you very much.